Hey guys, as you know, we just bought this brand new 2020 Ford Raptor, and being TFL, we immediately had to modify it. So you might be thinking to yourself, what's the first and we think most important mod to do to a brand new truck? Well, it's in this box. And coming up in this video, we're going to show you what's in the box, and we're going to show you how to install it, and then we're going to show you what to do with it. So yeah, sit back and relax, and this is going to be a fun one. Softopper is a local boulder company that's been in business for over 20 years, and they're just exploding right now because, well, people are buying trucks, they're overlanding them, and they want a solution on their bed. Because the bed is great, but what do you do if it rains? What do you do if you want to put stuff in there and keep it safe and secure? Well, you could put a hard top on the truck, but then you're stuck with the hard top, or you could put a soft top on. And that's what we're going to do in this video. We're going to install a soft topper on this Raptor, and we're going to show you the convenience of how it can be used. There are different colors. We went with black because, well, red and black. Trevor and Russ from Softopper were kind enough to come to our studios, well, it's our garage really, and install it. So these guys are the experts. It takes only about 45 minutes to actually put on, and then there's a lot of benefits you get from that, and we'll be talking about those as we install it. So you might be wondering, what are the advantages of a soft top? Well, they're light enough for one person to remove, removes completely from the vehicle in seconds, and of course small enough to store in tight places. As you can tell, the Softopper is built from mildew-resistant, durable 2-ply laminated sailcloth. Non-abrasive weather stripping provides waterproof for the entire bed of the truck. Durable, lightweight folding aluminum frame that won't rust. It's handcrafted and made right here in Colorado, and all parts are individually replaceable.
For the install, the driver's side's color-coded. That'll match up with the crossbars.
So this is kind of the heart of the Softopper. It's sailcloth that is really strong, durable, and holds up in any kind of weather, especially here in Colorado where we get snowstorms. This will last the life of the truck. Some other advantages include that it installs in, well, no time flat. It takes less than an hour to install, and I was there when they did it. Attached bed rails with custom clamps. No need to drill into the truck. Yeah, you gotta love that. And clear vinyl windows give full visibility through the bed of the truck, so you can see what's behind you.
Your front window panel is going to fall in between the cab and the bed. And you're going to want to start at the front of the side panel, snap in the first snap, working your way towards the rear. When you get to the rear, you can pull tension down on your strap and the rear crossbar to loosen up that tension. Give yourself some slack to get that last snap on and release the tension. I'm going to get in the truck now and set the front window, make sure it's centered, and then we'll attach the Velcro to the side panels. want to share the tension between the fabric on the sides and the tension on the straps as well. There is an option, two options to secure the front panel. There is a Velcro option or a screw-in snap stud option to secure the front window flap. The snap studs are preferred when you have a spray-in bed liner or a plastic bed liner. If you have a paint bed, the Velcro works just fine.
Now, if you're wondering, this Softopper costs about $750, give or take, and it's available in 3 colors, black, gray, and tan. And best of all, it's easy to clean with soap and water, or, if you're like me, a touchless car wash.
Next, you'll install your curved rear bar for this model. Rear bar pocket on the rear window.
All right, guys, because of the magic of video, it is now day 2. And yesterday when we were putting on the Softopper, I actually had to leave to go buy our Tacoma Baby Yoda project truck. And I get very involved in these trucks. I'm, well, probably too involved. I want them to look good. I'm very proud of what we create. So this is my first time actually seeing the Raptor with the Softopper. So, whoa, that looks good. That looks really good. Now, I've seen the Softopper on Toyotas, especially Tacomas. It seems to become a thing, but I've never seen them on full-size trucks like the Raptor. And I gotta be honest, I was a little worried about the look of the thing, but it's, well, dare I say, almost military in some ways. And that's cool because the Raptor has this very masculine, very over-the-top image, and the Softopper just adds to that with its kind of stark utilitarianism. And I gotta say, I think it looks spectacular. Now the question, of course, is, does it still have the utility of a pickup truck? Because, well, I want to be able to load a motorcycle, so only one way to find out. Let's see if we can load a motorcycle. Look at this, Andreas thoughtfully left the hitch right by the door. These Gen Y hitches not only are really good as a hitch, but they work exceptionally well as door stops too. So just keep that in mind if you're looking for a hitch/door stop. Look, they're flying east. Alex, they're flying east for the winter. I guess it must be warmer in Nebraska than it is here in Colorado. Anyway, this, of course, is the Hawk DLX. We call it affectionately the Mighty Hawk because we bought it on Amazon. It's a Chinese enduro dual sport motorcycle that we bought for $2,000. And Alex, who's behind the camera, put together on TFL bike. And now I've actually ridden it a few times on road, and we want to do a full review of it. So we need to get it over to our test track facility, which is IMI Motorsports. Normally, if you put a topper on your full-size pickup truck, you'd be SOL, right? But not with our solution. So let's see if the Mighty Hawk starts. All right, Mighty Hawk. Oh yeah, right away. Listen to that power. It does sound good. All right, now to fold this out of the way, it's very simple. So unvelcro that, open up the window, like so. And then there's a little snap here and a little post there that's just pull up. Same thing on this side, boom, boom. And then take this and put it on the roof out of the way. You want to be careful, of course, of this window because you don't want to scratch that up. That's really the one part you could potentially damage. And then on the side, it's very simple. Just a bunch of snaps. And some more Velcro. And then the trick is to put this up as high as possible so that it folds nicely. There we go. Try it again on this side. All right, there you go. That's one side. Here's the other side. Okay, this is my first time doing this, and we did figure out that these flaps have to be up on top, a little bit more neater, and then it's better if the window goes on top of the flaps versus the other way around. That looks like something that an old British sports car designer would be jealous of, the way that this actually folds up and gets out of the way. Now there is another step to this process, because look, obviously, let me make sure this is straight. Obviously, you don't want to get this dirty with a dirt bike, so they did kindly provide us with a cover. So we're actually going to cover it just like an old British sports car. And by the way, if you're curious, this is made out of treated sailcloth, so it's durable, it's weather protective, and it shouldn't fade or tear or anything while you have the truck. Oh yeah, that's actually super easy. Okay. There we go. That. Snap that in like so. Look at that. That's as beautiful as you're gonna get, huh? And then so it doesn't fly up, you take these guys and attach them so that it's locked in place. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Hey Zach, I feel like a doctor doing this with a face mask. Push. All right, a couple observations. First, and of course most importantly, I don't know how this turned out, but the motorcycle, the Mighty Hawk, and the Ford Raptor match in color. I mean, look, you've got, I think when we sell this off next year on TFL bids, we're probably gonna have to auction them as a pair, because yeah, they just go together really well. But seriously, I'm really impressed by how the Softopper really works and does everything that it's advertising it can do. It gives you a watertight place to store stuff, and then when you need to use the bed of the truck, like for instance, taking a motorcycle for review or for a ride, it folds away quickly and easily and painlessly. I mean, what more could you ask than that? So, while I put this away and get it all set up to take over to the track, if you want to head over to TFL Bike's YouTube channel, we'll publish the bike review at the same time as we publish this video, so you can actually check out if this $2,000 Mighty Hawk is any good, because I'm about to go review it. So let's roll some video of that. And in the meantime, I'll put the rest of this away and get it ready to get out there.